Well, it's Wednesday. This is the beginning of the big snowstorm, and I work at Queen's University. And of course we're open. We gotta feed all the students down there, and it's really bad. The Queens couldn't close today, but that's okay. I'm on my way in. Got this guy here, dedicated already, doing the snow plowing at the church, getting the daycare all ready. But right now it's about minus 17 degrees. About minus 11. There's a few cars on the road. I'm waiting for the bus. See down here, about maybe 100 yards. Don't know if you can see it or not. Just a little bit of white out. And the 60-kilometer-an-hour winds right now, and they're gusting. But I'm going to do another video on my way in with the bus, and hopefully everybody arrives safe today to where they're going. And as you just see, great big huge bolt of lightning just hit, and you can hear the thunder. And I could have been killed right there. Now, can you believe that? Lightning and thunder in the middle of a blizzard, and the power just came back on. And I hope I don't get killed. You did see the lightning, eh? Yeah. I got it on videotape.